Good evening. I'm Tom, and here's the news. Our top story: unemployment continues to skyrocket as citizens nationwide spontaneously quit their jobs. Some are calling it some kind of phenomenon, but I don't care. I'm out of here.
I'm taking over for Tom. It's me, Rick Deshigalegzing. and here's the news. President Obama still remains to hold his grudge against comedian Kevin James for failing to show up to his birthday extravaganza. I can't do this, you guys! I can't do it!
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Don't worry, I'm here to take over. I'm a trained professional. Let's begin our first story. During the White House... I gotta go.
Hey! Tom, back here again, and just when you think you have everything all figured out, just people, don't forget about child support. We'll be right back.